Okay, so what I'm trying to do now is I connected this lapel mic here onto the top of the drone with a Velcro, and right here on me, so it should pick up the drone audio and my audio on this phone. So give it a shot and see what happens. Boom! Recording here, there, everywhere. Should be getting audio in the drone too. I'm gonna draw a circle around this. Okay, let's see what happens. It followed pretty good. I'm gonna stop it now, and let's go down, and let's see how it is. Okay, let's go down here. Go and land her about right there. Stop it. All right, let's see what happens. I guess I'm hearing from that one there. That's probably pretty loud on that other speaker, but let's see what happens. 12 minutes. Okay, let's go see what we got.